If you've clicked on this video, you want to know how you can test out the creaking and the new biome, the Pale Garden in Minecraft. Well, today I'm going to show you that, so make sure to stick around to the end to find out how you can test it for yourself. So first off, you want to just go ahead and turn on your Minecraft launcher, and once you're here, all you gotta do is go to installations, make sure that snapshots is enabled. So now it's not enabled, now it is. So next up, you press on new installation, go over to here to the versions, and just press on this little down thingy right here, the little icon, and then go over to latest snapshot 24W40A. Maybe it doesn't say latest snapshot for you right now, but in this case it does. So once you have clicked on this, you're gonna go ahead and name it. You don't really need to name it, but I always like to give the name to, to keep it all organized and stuff. So I'm just gonna name it New Minecraft Creaking and Pale Garden Test! Exclamation point. And just go ahead and press on create. So once you've actually created the installation, you're gonna go ahead and go back to play, and then you're gonna press on this right here, this little box right here, and it's gonna show you all of the installation you have. So you're gonna go all the way down, usually it's all the way down, and just press on that installation. This is the one I just made, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press on that. So next up, what you're gonna wanna do is just press on play. So once you're on Minecraft, you're gonna go ahead and press on single player, create a new world, then go over to more, you have world game. Here you can change all of your world name and stuff. I think you already know what you can do over here. Then you're gonna go ahead and press on more, press on experiments, and go all the way down till you see winter drop. Then you're gonna go ahead and turn this one to on, like this. Press on done. Go ahead back to your game, name your world whatever the hell you like, doesn't matter what. Just this, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and go into creative. Then I'm just gonna press on new world. So once you've loaded up your Minecraft world, you're gonna go ahead, press enter, /locate biome space pale _ garden. Then you're gonna go ahead and see some coordinates over here. You're gonna go ahead and teleport over to those. Just press on it and press enter. So once you've gone ahead and teleported over to the biome, you are going to be teleported into the Pale Garden biome. So let's have a look around. So all of the new stuff, the new blocks, the new pale oak log, it can be created into other stuff. Let's just search up pale. Look, all of this stuff, everything here, it's all from the new Pale Garden update and the creaking. Now once you've looked around a bit, you are going to notice it's around the dark oak forest. Right, well that is how it's supposed to be. Minecraft has created it so, you every time you teleport to a Pale Garden or you enter Pale Garden, it will always be next to a dark oak forest. Now I don't exactly know why Minecraft did it, but I'm not complaining. It's really good. Especially it's all dark colored. It's about, I think it has the same like spawning mechanics, like it spawns in a really weird way, unlike other trees who might just have this, or acacia trees might have their logs like this. And also other trees like spruce trees, some of them might spawn in like a 2x2 with logs going all the way up to the leaves. Could be from 40 to 50 blocks. I'm not actually sure. But yeah, this is the Pale Garden, and if we go ahead and wait till it turns night, which you can also do by just typing in /time set, and then you do midnight, enter. Look, the creaking's already spawned. If you're gonna go ahead and hit it, it's gonna show you the location of its heart. So let's go into survival right here. Let's give ourselves some armor. You're gonna go ahead and notice that the creaking is, look, the creaking is moving towards you while you're not looking at it. Just like this. It's really scary. It's really fun update in my opinion. I really love it. It just changes something about Minecraft. It's really fun. So let's just go ahead and try to defeat these guys. So let's just hit it, and then it's gonna show me where its heart is. So we're just gonna keep looking at it. Look, now they're gonna follow me. Pretty sure it was in this tree. So apparently it was not in this tree. Let's just go ahead and hit it again. Wait, it is in this tree. What the hell? Hold on, let's just try to keep looking at it. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god. Oh, what do we do? Oh my god, I'm hearing... It's up here. Oh, I see it, I see it. Quick, quick, quick. Yes, alright, we got it. Look, now it just disappeared. We can also go ahead and pick up the heart. Or maybe not. I don't know where it went. Oh god. Oh look, there's another one. You really have to watch out for these guys. They just spawn everywhere. So yeah, they don't really do the most of damage, but they are really fun to play around with. You just, you know, like test kinda. And it's really fun if you spawn in this biome and it's immediately night. You have a real challenge, because right now I'm in full diamond armor. You know, it doesn't really do much damage. But let's just take off my armor. So as you can see, I just took off my armor, and let's go ahead and test out how much damage these guys do. Alright, so I've made myself a little platform right here, put the heart down. Let's just go ahead and go into game mode survival. And let's change the time to midnight. Why isn't it working? Oh, it's maybe because we're not in the biome. Yeah, no, we're in the dark forest right now. So what I think I'm gonna do is just go ahead and move the platform into the pale garden biome. So apparently you just have to put it in between two pale logs. Let's just see what happens. Oh look, now it's like shining kind of. It's a little bit more yellow. Oh god, look, it spawned, it spawned. Right, let's just go ahead and see how much damage these guys do. Oh, it's just one heart. It's not a lot of damage, especially because I don't have any armor. But I don't think this mob is, you know, like made to actually get rid of players, to eliminate them or anything. I just think it's more of a horror mob, you know, like to make others scared, to make more of an adventure to the game and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty fun. So yeah, also something I forgot to mention is that if you look into the sky, whenever you enter the pale garden biome, the sky will turn to sort of like grayish kind of color. So for example, right now we're inside of the dark forest biome. So if we just go ahead and go into the pale garden biome, as you can see, the sky it turns a little gray. So let's just go out. Look, now it's like light blue. You go in, it starts getting gray and grayer the more you go in. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You don't have to. You can also unsubscribe later whenever you want to. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.